Hey guys, I'm Chadwick Boyd. I am live in my test kitchen here in New York City, and I'm cooking with these new Fresh Express organic salad kits. I've got the pomegranate cranberry one that has these awesome mix of modern ingredients. Look at this. Eric, come in here and look at this. Crispy quinoa, just like a puffed rice. It's so delicious. Crunchy pita chips, which are one of my favorites, and I've got some sweet dried cranberries here. So I'm going to show you how to make a complete dinner using this kit. I went to the grocery store today, picked this up, but I also picked up a pork tenderloin. So let me show you how to put a few ingredients together that you can marinate it before you go to work, and then you can pop it in the oven when you come home and have an awesome dinner. So I've got a resealable bag with my pork tenderloin. I'm going to do a good pinch of kosher salt and some cracked black pepper, just like that. I love me some pepper. And just give it a good massage with just like that. I've sliced up 4 or 5 pieces of red onions I'm going to drop in and give it 3 or 4 tablespoons of olive oil. And this is right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy. And a cup of pomegranate juice. This is going to bring out the sweetness of the hibiscus pomegranate dressing, which is in the packet that you buy. And don't forget the garlic, 3 or 4 cloves of garlic throwing in here. Seal this baby up, give it another massage, and put it in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes at a minimum. You can do this, like I said, all throughout the day. I'm going to put this in the oven at 425 and roast it for about 45 minutes or more until it's a little bit pink in the center and it comes out delicious like this. I'm going to slice this up, maybe about a ½ inch a piece. I wish you guys could smell this. And then I'm going to show you how to build the salad. So I've got the delicious lettuces. We're going to make a bed on this platter. I made this for a dinner party the other day, and people thought it was so fresh and sophisticated, and who knew that I was using this, just one of these kits. If you're cooking for a family, you can buy 2 of these and extend it that way. I'm going to put the pork tenderloin on top of the greens. Let that fall like that. And then add the pita chips. You know, the cool thing about these kits now, there's nothing like this in the produce department at all. But there are these awesome seeds and grains that you can get that they now offer. All things that I love to eat, and I think you probably do too. Sprinkle with the crispy quinoa. We always have a little accident in the kitchen. And with the dried cranberries. Really delicious. And then drizzle with the dressing. Just like that. And finish it off with some more cracked black pepper. How simple is that? I think you can do that when you come home from work. You can do it for a weekend dinner. You can go to freshexpress.com for more recipes and tips. And make sure you go to the Fresh Express Salads Facebook page and like it. I look forward to seeing you there, and I hope you have a delicious dinner.